Kiran. I'm a rising junior at Edmond North High School. My starter project was a mini grand piano, and my main project is a hydroponic farming system. I chose this project because I was interested in environmental sciences and engineering, and also biology. I wanted something that the community could benefit from, and that I could make easily and be affordable. So now I'm going to demo the watering system. Sorry, it's going to take a little bit, 30 seconds. So how it works is there is a submersible pump, and the main feature of the watering system is the float switches. So when the float switches are closed, which it means the water level is at its fullest, it sends a signal to the Arduino, which is a programmable microcontroller, and that sends a signal to the power switch relay, which is basically just a giant switch to tell the pump to turn on. Then when the float switches are open, it means the water level is at its lowest, and it tells the pump to turn off. So the water is pumped through PEX tubing that lines the support frame, through drip emitters, and then down the grow towers where the plants are held. And it will collect in the return gutters and then drain back through vinyl tubing back into the bucket, essentially creating a water cycle so that it reduces water costs and water waste. A challenge I faced in this project was the return gutters because they always leaked. So originally what I did to apply the end caps to the gutters, I used a lot of duct tape, but no matter how much duct tape I used, it would always leak. So I next tried to use grout and hot glue, but the grout wouldn't harden, and the hot glue would leave like holes for the water to seep through. So finally I used PL, which is like liquid nails, and I lined the outside and the inside so that no water could seep through. Some modifications I did, I attached wheels to the to the PVC tees so that it could be portable. I also compiled all my electronics into a wooden box, so that in case like the water splashes from the return gutters, the electronics won't get destroyed. I also added 3 sensors, pH sensor, an EC sensor, and a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor gets measurements of the temperature of the water and the surrounding air, and the pH and EC measure water quality and like nutrient quality. My final modification was a nutrient doser, because since the plants aren't in soil, they don't get the nutrients that they need, and so you can either buy nutrient solution or make nutrient solutions depending on the plants you are planting, and that attaches to the watering system so that when the pump is on, the doser is on, so that all the plants get the nutrients they need. Coming into this program, I knew 0 to nothing about electrical, software, and mechanical engineering, but coming out of it and listening to a lot of the speakers and the entrepreneurs that came, I realized that I really do like biomedical engineering and environmental engineering, and I really hope to pursue that in the future.
Now we'll open to the floor to questions for Kiran.
Sorry.
Well, how about the lighting system for,
Oh, I didn't have time to get to the lighting
Okay.
system, but that's just easy. Like you plug it into the Arduino, and you can control the lights. So you can have a timer. So depending on like if you want it for an hour or 5 minutes, you can set it up like that.
So knowing what you know now, if you had to rebuild this project, how would you build it?
How to build it?
Or what would be different?
Sorry. I would definitely first start off with putting liquid nails in the gutter. I would also make the tubing a little bit more precise. It came rolled up, and it was really hard to straighten out because it was so stiff. So I would definitely buy like the straight kind because it was a pain to get that to straighten. I would scale it down, but the nice thing about the system is you can scale it to whatever you want when you're building it.
What are you planning on growing?
I'm planning on growing peas, broccoli, lettuce, maybe some spinach. I don't know, something good.
You have rabbits?
Do I have rabbits?
Yeah.
No, not currently.
It's a pretty rabbit-centric town.
Yeah, if you'd like to attach a rabbit cage right here.
Point out, very good. How are you gonna get this home?
That's the problem.
On your own?
That's the challenge. Hopefully, like the lug service, Uber for moving.